Hello and welcome. Let's continue our designing, and in this video we are going to work with Flexbox and how you can write and design your website using Flexbox. And we will design this section here, the about one. Let's say this is the home section of our website. This is very simple, I know, but we will design the better one in the future. For the about section, we will start here. Let's write the about section. So we will come out of header and we will give this about, and then only will give this an ID of about, something like this. For now, I already said you don't use the ID, you should use class, but because this is a unique part, you can just give it an ID of about, or you don't give anything for now. Still you can give this a class of about, both at the same time in the same value, and you can select any of them you want. For now I give them an about, and let's give them a section. Let's give them two class. As you can see, you can give them two class and you can select them separately. So for now I will give it a h1, and here is the let's say I give as a title learn about us, and I will give this one also a title of section title. Let's say like that, so that we can select this from with CSS and design it. For now it is just fine, and if I come and refresh the page, it will appear here. So I'll make sure it is in the center of the page. So I'll come here down and I'll comment and say all the CSS here will be related to the section. So I will select the section title. We have the class of section title. Now I'll say the text align should be not emphasis, align should be center. If I save it, refresh the page, it is in the center of the page. Now what else we can do? Let's give this a little bit of padding, because there should be space between the text and here. I will not select the section, the section title. I will select this section so that all the content should come down. I'll come here and select the section and tell this the padding top should be 40 pixel. Refresh the page. Now it's better, I think. And what else? Now we will put three items here. Let's say about us, what we do, and all of those things. So we will use the Flexbox, which we learned already. I'll use a div and say we have a flex container class here. This is a flex container, just a simple class for now. Then we have flex item. We will design it, of course. We will write the code for this one too, and I will duplicate the three items. For this one, let's say it has an h3 of about us. We teach, for example, web design, and it has a little bit of paragraph lorem of, let's say, 20 words. No, 20 is too much, 15 is okay. Then for the next one, h3 web development, and we have a little paragraph for this one, as well as for the last one, h3. We will learn about what else we say. Let's say SEO. SEO stands for search engine optimization, which means how you design the website which is fit for the search engine. I will hide the sidebar for now. This is just fine. For now, if I refresh the page, it will not look good. It will look like this. So I will design it. This should be side by side. As you can see, we have flex container, and the flex container has three items, child items. This is the first one, second one, and the third one is here. So we learned in the video about Flexbox that we can easily align all of these items using Flexbox. So I will come here and write the flex just write the flex, and we have the flex container here. I'll select the flex container and give them, okay, because this is a class, I will write dot in the beginning, and now I will write display flex. Very simple. If I write display flex, everything is done. Refresh the page. As you can see, it will appear like this. Next thing, we say that the height of this, they must have a little bit of padding from two sides. So I'll come here and say the flex item must have, let's say, a little padding. If I give the padding of 40 pixel, from all corners they have 40 pixel space, as you can see, and I can just simply say okay, it looks just fine. I think this is very good for now. Now what else? We will add one icon at the above these things, and here is a resource I'll show you for downloading the icons. The flat icon website, they give you a free SVG, Photoshop, Illustrator file for the icon. They have premium version too, but their service is very good, and there are a lot of their items are free. For example, this one, if I go for the business, as you can see, there are a lot of thing here. Let's say we download this one, click on this. So I'll download just a few of them. We will use the PNG and the 60. Okay, this is too small. 128 would be fine. Download for free, and it will download it here. The first one, let's say the second one would be to learn about web design. Of course, this is not related, still we can use it, the second one. And the third one would be, of course, let's say this one, or about, I don't know which one to pick. Okay, this one would be fine. PNG 128, done. And now I'll go to my download, and here are the three icons. I'll cut them, and the same way I'll put this here. We have analysis, planning, and presentation. So I'll put all of those icons in my HTML section here. As you can see, here is the title. Inside this one we use image, and I will give them a section img, or let's say section icon, something like that. This has a section icon, and the source will be img. Inside the img, for the first one we use the planning because this is the web design, and for the second one we come here, we have a section icon, then the source is img / presentation, and the last one img section icon img, and then this one should be analytic. It does not have any alt for now, it is just fine. If I refresh the page, it will look like this. Now I think it shows a better version of our website. If you think this is not looking good, you can just go and bring any other icon. For now, for me, it is just fine because we are just practicing how you can align the items side by side and write the least code and get the best results. So I hope it has been informative for you. In the next video, we'll continue our designing, and we will add some form for the contact, and we will design the forms too. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.